Cat and the pumpkin picking plan. That's funny, like a tongue twister. Pumpkin picking plan. Let's see what Splat does. Splat the Cat and the pumpkin picking plan. Ooh. Autumn was one of Splat's favorite seasons. Oh, Splat, what you doing? I'll help you rake the leaves, Mom, Splat offered. Thank you, Splat, Mom said. Splat was good at raking leaves. Seymour helped too. Soon they made a huge pile. Splat stared at the pile. Suddenly, he had a great idea. His tail wiggled wildly. I'm guessing the mouse's name is Seymour. Okay. Oh my gosh, no, boy, no, why? Splat. Leaves went flying everywhere. Yeah, the mouse went flying. That's funny. It looks like that leaf behind him looks like he's got wings. No. What happens? Splat's mom sighed. Oh, I have an idea, Splat, she said. Why don't you go to Farmer's Farmer's Patch's pumpkin patch. You can pick out a pumpkin to decorate and put it on our porch. See how he can mess that up. Splat thought that sounded like a great idea. I'll pick the most perfect pumpkin ever, he promised. Let's see what happens. Splat grabbed his wagon, and he and Seymour set off on their way. Okay, the mouse is in the wagon, and the cat's pulling the wagon. What could go wrong? Splat loved Farmer Patch's pumpkin patch. There was so much to see and do. He saw a very scary scarecrow. Looks like a dog. He got lost in the hay bale maze. Oops. He tasted fresh apple and fish cider. Ew. Then Splat remembered that he was supposed to pick out the perfect pumpkin. The perfect pumpkin would be big, orange, and round, he told Seymour. Let's see. He found a pumpkin that was very round and very orange. Too small, he announced. The next pumpkin was big and orange. Not round enough, said Seymour. He told Seymour. Seymour found a big round pumpkin, not orange enough, Splat said. Splat's tail wiggled wildly with worry. Would he ever find the perfect pumpkin? Oh my gosh, he is worried. Look at that. But then Splat spotted another pumpkin. It was round, it was orange, it was the biggest pumpkin in the place. Perfect, Splat cried. Mom will love this one. But there was one problem. How was Splat going to get the pumpkin home? This won't fit my wagon, Splat said. I know, he said. I'll roll it. What could go wrong? Oh my gosh. I'm about to say what's going to go wrong. Splat rolled the pumpkin out of the gate. He rolled it onto the road and down a hill. Oh my gosh. Whoa, Splat cried. Splat ran. The pumpkin rolled. The pumpkin wouldn't stop no matter what Splat did. Ooh. Help, Splat cried. Oh my gosh. Looks like a disaster in the waiting. Let's see what happens. Is that no? I'm sorry, it can't be the last page, right? There's too much excitement going on. Well, Splat could steer the runaway pumpkin with his feet, like a log roll thing. He steered over a bridge and in between cars and right through his front gate. Oh my gosh, he busted the gate. Mom's gonna be mad. Finally, the pumpkin stopped. Splat's mom smiled. Oh, Splat, it's perfect. She said, well done. Splat smiled back. It was no trouble, he said. No trouble at all. Oh Oh, Splat, you're so funny, so funny. Look at that. There are some stickers you can stick to the floor. It's gonna be great fun, right? Mm-hmm. Your mama love that. Alright, then. Splat the Cat and the pumpkin picking plan.